I don't know what I want to eat every day. Same. I also don't know what I want to eat every day. And quite honestly, thinking about what I'm going to eat for every single meal of the week, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and having to shop and prep for that seems super daunting and also exhausting when honestly, I don't even know what I want to eat for dinner tonight. Make it easy on yourself. This is where things like Instagram and Pinterest and blogs and cookbooks and magazines and all of these things come in handy. The first thing that I would go to, if it's you guys, because it is literally a built-in resource for you, is one, the Facebook group. Nick has been sharing a lot of great recipes in there, and people have already been posting about things that they've been trying. And then also the Meal Prep on Fleek website, or their blog, has a ton of recipes that are not only delicious looking, but they also have the nutrition information for you if that's something that you're going to be using in your meal prep plan. So that's basically like easy button from Staples, push it, there you go, it's already done.